Mr. President Donald J. Trump. My name is Dimitri Herard. I served as the head of one of the general security units of the National Police in Haiti. I was wrongfully accused and unjustly arrested in connection with the assassination of President Jovenel Moïse. On the night of July 7, 2021, mercenaries entered the private residence of our president and assassinated him in cold blood. In the aftermath, 4 men, some of whom were not U.S. citizens nor residents, were arrested in Haiti and later extradited to the United States. Critical case files have been sealed at the request of U.S. authorities precisely by federal prosecutors from the Biden-Harris administration. The individuals responsible for sealing this case include Attorney General Merrick B. Garland, Assistant Attorney General Matthew J. Olson, U.S. Attorney Mackenzie LaPointe, and prosecutors Andrea Goldberg and Monica Castro. The case is being tried in Miami, Florida, under U.S. Magistrate Judge Lauren Lewis. Additionally, a seal order and a gag order issued by U.S. District Judge Jose Martinez restrict access to critical evidence and silence those involved under the pretense of safety concerns. These actions obstruct Haiti's investigation and prevent the truth from reaching the Haitian people and the world. Some of the individuals linked to this crime have been confirmed as FBI and DEA informants, a fact publicly acknowledged by both agencies. This revelation raises undeniable concerns about foreign involvement in the assassination of President Moïse and the subsequent cover-up efforts to suppress key details. Haiti demands transparency. I formally request that these classified documents be unsealed and disclosed, just as was done for the cases of President John Fitzgerald Kennedy and Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. It is not merely a legal matter. It is a matter of historical truth and justice. This letter serves as a formal request with an official copy sent to Washington. The Haitian people deserve to know who was involved, who orchestrated this assassination, and why. Justice must be served, and those responsible must be held accountable. Those who conspire to conceal justice should remember, history does not forget, and neither will we. The suppression of truth cannot stand. The world is watching.